Unraveling Idioms, as drunk as a skunk, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat humorous idiom in the English language. As drunk as a skunk. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means but also where it comes from and how you can use it in conversation. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this popular saying. The phrase, as drunk as a skunk, is used to describe someone who is extremely intoxicated. When we say someone is as drunk as a skunk, we're painting a vivid picture of someone who has consumed a lot of alcohol and is, as a result, not in full control of their faculties. The comparison to a skunk, an animal known for its strong and unpleasant scent, adds a layer of humor and exaggeration to the description. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us appreciate their meaning and usage even more. Interestingly, the phrase, as drunk as a skunk, doesn't have a clear historical origin tied to skunks' behavior or characteristics. Instead, it's believed to be a product of alliteration and rhyme, which makes phrases catchier and easier to remember. Skunks are not known for consuming alcohol or getting intoxicated. However, the phrase plays on the animal's reputation for having a potent and noticeable impact on its surroundings, much like someone who is very drunk. When using the phrase, as drunk as a skunk, it's important to remember that it's informal and best suited for casual conversations. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. After the party last night, I was as drunk as a skunk and couldn't remember how I got home. He vowed never to drink again after being as drunk as a skunk at his brother's wedding. We found her giggling in the corner, as drunk as a skunk, telling everyone she loved them. This phrase adds color and humor to stories and descriptions, but remember to use it in appropriate contexts where it won't be misunderstood or cause offense. Understanding idioms like, as drunk as a skunk, not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the playful and imaginative aspects of the English language. This idiom, with its vivid imagery and humorous undertone, is a great example of how language can capture the quirks of human behavior in a few catchy words. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of as drunk as a skunk for you. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of English idioms, and happy learning!